After age 40, many women begin noticing something frustrating. The same foods they've eaten for years suddenly start causing weight gain, especially around the belly. The right foods in the morning may help stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and support healthy fat metabolism. Today, we'll look at 5 breakfast foods supported by nutrition research that may help women over 40 support metabolism and reduce belly fat over time. Let's begin with one of the most powerful options. Before we begin, share with us in the comments your age and where you are watching us from. We read and reply to every single comment. Now, without any ado, let's start with number 5. Breakfast food number 5: eggs. The protein metabolism booster. Eggs are among the most nutrient-dense breakfast foods available. They provide high-quality protein along with important nutrients such as choline, vitamin B12, and selenium. Research in nutrition science shows that high-protein breakfasts increase satiety hormones, helping people feel fuller for longer. Protein also has a higher thermic effect than carbohydrates, meaning the body burns more calories during digestion. Studies comparing egg-based breakfasts with refined carbohydrate breakfasts have found better appetite control, lower calorie intake later in the day, improved blood sugar stability. For women over 40, adequate protein intake is especially important for maintaining lean muscle mass, which helps support a healthy metabolic rate. Breakfast food number 4: Greek yogurt, the gut and metabolism supporter. Greek yogurt provides a powerful combination of protein, calcium, and probiotics. In fact, a single serving often contains twice the protein of regular yogurt. High-protein dairy foods have been studied for their effects on body composition. Some research suggests that people who regularly consume yogurt may experience lower abdominal fat and improved metabolic health. The probiotics in yogurt may also help support gut bacteria balance, something researchers increasingly link to weight regulation and inflammation control. For the healthiest option, choose plain Greek yogurt and add fruit or nuts rather than flavored varieties. Breakfast food number 3: Oatmeal, the fiber that stabilizes blood sugar. Oatmeal remains one of the most studied breakfast foods in nutrition science. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Clinical studies show beta-glucan may help improve cholesterol levels, stabilize blood sugar, increase feelings of fullness. When blood sugar rises slowly instead of spiking rapidly, insulin levels remain more stable. And stable insulin levels are important because chronically elevated insulin can encourage fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Oatmeal also provides slow-digesting carbohydrates that help maintain steady energy throughout the morning. Breakfast food number 2: Berries, the antioxidant metabolism supporter. Berries are small, but nutritionally powerful. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants called polyphenol and anthocyanins. Research suggests these compounds may help reduce oxidative stress and support metabolic health. Several studies indicate berries may help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, support healthier blood sugar responses. Because berries are naturally low in sugar but high in fiber and antioxidants, they make an ideal addition to foods like yogurt or oatmeal. Breakfast food number 1, nuts, especially almonds. Finally, nuts, particularly almonds. Nuts contain a balanced combination of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and magnesium. Nutrition research has shown that regular nut consumption is associated with improved cholesterol levels, better blood sugar regulation, and healthier body composition. Healthy fats also slow digestion, helping people feel satisfied longer after a meal. That can reduce mid-morning cravings and prevent overeating later in the day. Even a small portion, about a handful, can provide meaningful nutritional benefits. Instead of eating these foods individually, combining them can create a more balanced meal. For example, Greek yogurt topped with berries, a spoonful of oats, and a handful of almonds. Or eggs with a small bowl of oatmeal and fresh berries on the side. This kind of breakfast provides the key nutrients that support metabolic health. Comment below which breakfast food you'll try first. We love hearing your experiences. Like this video if you found this helpful. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video where we share more simple, practical ways to take care of your body after 40. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building these small habits together.